2.7, discounts. Discount or markdown is the amount by which the regular price of an item is reduced. The sale price is the regular price minus the discount. So we're going to do something very similar to what we did with sales tax, tips, and markups, only this time we're going to subtract our amount because it's a cheaper amount. It's a better deal. So again, we have two ways to do this. If we look at example A, a shirt is regularly priced at $42. It is on sale for 15% off of the regular price. What is the sale price of the shirt? Okay, so again, my shirt is on $42, and we're going to take 15% off. So we can take 42 times our 15% to figure out how much money would we save. And when we multiply those, we get $6.30. And again, if it's on sale, it's cheaper. So then we take our 42 minus the $6.30 we're saving, and we get $35.70. So with our 15% sale, this shirt now costs $35.70. Okay, another way we could do this is if we could think about what percent are we actually paying. So if we paid for the complete shirt, it would be 100%. But we're taking 15% off of that, so we're really only paying for 80%. So again, we have 100% of the shirt. We're going to take 15% off, so we're really only paying for 85% of that shirt. So then we could take our amount, our $42, times our 85% as a decimal. Remember, percents always have to be decimals. And when we multiply those, we get $35.70. So again, the shirt costs $35.70. No matter which way you do this, you're going to get the same answer. We can figure out how much we're saving, then subtract it from our original, or we could just take it times the percent we're actually paying. Okay? If we look at example B, a CD has a regular price of $15.50, is on sale at a 25% discount. What is the sale price with 6.5% tax? Okay, so now we have two different steps here. We need to figure out what is our discount amount, and then how much are we going to pay when we go to checkout, so if we put sales tax on it. So the first thing I'm going to do, I know I have a 25% discount, so I know I'm going to pay 75% of the CD. So I'm going to take $15.50 times 75% as a decimal, and I get $11.63. So that would be the sticker price for my CD. So when I go up to buy that, now I need to put 6.5% on. So then I would take $11.63 times, now I'm paying for all of that, plus my 6.5%. So I'm going to take it times 106.5%, and I would get $12.39. So I would say altogether, the CD is going to cost me $12.39. Okay, again, you could have taken $15.50 times the 25% and then subtracted that amount from 15. Then we would have taken that amount times our 6.5%. Then we'd have to add that back on because sales tax, tips, and markups we add on. Discounts and markdowns we subtract because it's a better deal. Okay, example C. It says find the original price if the sale price of a cell phone is $205.50. Okay, so it tells us up here in the example that the cell phone is on sale for 30% off. So we have 30% off, and the sale price is $205.50. So when we go to find an original price, we're going to use our percent equation. And our percent equation was part equals percent times whole. Okay, again, I'm going to fill in the pieces that I know. So the $205.50, that's the sale price, so that would be part of our original price. So we know the part is $205.50. Now, we know the percent, but here's the trick with the percent. It's not the percent we get off, it's the percent we're actually paying. So at first we would pay for 100%, but we're getting 30% off, so we're really paying for 70% of this CD, or of this cell phone. So I would put 70% as a decimal here in my equation, and then times the whole, which is the original. We don't know how much it costs to begin with. So I want to solve for the whole, so since I'm multiplying by 70 hundredths, I'm going to divide both sides by 70 hundredths. So those simplify down. So W would equal 293 and 571 thousandths. Again, we're working in terms of money, so we need to round this to the nearest hundredth, which is 2 places after the decimal point. So we would say that cell phone originally cost $293.57. Okay, so again, when you go to find the original price, this only works for the original price. The sale price is always the part. The percent is how much are you paying. So right now we would only be paying for 70% of it. So we'd put 70% in as our decimal. Again, you got to change your decimal to a percent, or your percent to a decimal, and then solve for your missing value. Okay, so again, the percent is how much you're actually paying. So we only paid for 70% of this. Okay, let's look at example D. If the sale at Clothes R Us was 50% off, which store would have a better buy? So we're comparing these two stores up here. Clothes R Us and Radcliffe's are having a sale. At Clothes R Us, a pair of sneakers is on sale for 40% off. Now we're going to figure it out if it's for 50% off. The regular price of $50. And at Radcliffe's, the same brand of sneakers is discounted by 30% off the regular price of $40. So which store had a better deal? So they figured out Radcliffe's for us. Again, it was 30% off, so we're only paying 70% of our $40. We change our percent to a decimal. So at Radcliffe's, it costs $28. So for us, ours started at $50, and we are going to do 50% off. So we take 50 times 50%. Again, we're only paying for 50% of it. We take 50 times 50%, we would get $25. So we would say Clothes R Us has a better deal because $25 is less than $28. Okay, so again, when we go shopping, we can compare different things. Okay, just because Radcliffe started out at $40 doesn't necessarily mean that's going to be the better deal because you didn't get a better percent off. So since 50% off of Clothes R Us was better, because 25 is less than 28. Let's look at number 2. A pair of inline skates is on sale for $90. If this price represents a 9% discount from the original price, what is the original price to the nearest cent? Okay, again, when we go to find original prices, we start with our percent equation. So part equals percent times whole. And again, we fill in the pieces we know. So our skates were on sale for $90. Again, since that's a sale price, that's part of our original, so that would be our part. And then it says it represents a 9% discount. Again, when we go to put our percent in there, we have to use the percent we're actually paying. If it's 9% off, we're only paying for 91% of these skates. So we gotta change our 91% to a decimal and then take that times our whole, which is our original price. And that's what we're trying to figure out. So again, since I'm taking 9100ths times W, I'm gonna divide by 9100ths. And when I divide those, W equals 98.90. So we would say the original price was $98.90. So again, to find a discount or a mark down, we figure out what percent are we actually paying and then take that times our price, or however much it costs, we take it times our percent and then we subtract it because it's a better deal. When we find the original price, we start with the percent equation, and the sale price is always the part, and for the percent, we always use what percent are we paying. Not the percent they give us, but what are we actually paying, and then we solve for the whole, which is our original price.